Hi, I'm Kev.
Ellie here.
So what are we going to do now?
Bake cookies.
So what are we going to bake?
Chocolate cookies
And
and butter cookies.
so you bake only two types lah, is it?
可是今天他就是做好 chocolate cookie 先，所以要帮我 OK。
会帮啊。这个 basically 不是什么 baking tutorial， 只是记录下生活啦，看 Ellie bake 到有多努。可是往年的 cookies 很好吃啦。
是啊，明明就好吃。
OK， 所以记录一下这个生活。哎呦，吃饱了，不要打我肚腩。咁新淨嘅。
这个是糖 ，this is sugar， 这个也是 sugar。
Why doesn't look like sugar? Oh,
Castor sugar，icing sugar。
icing sugar.
这
OK.
些全部都是 flour。Basically sugar flour 一个 butter 是一个 recipe。
So 这个 measure 了问 ，is it?
没热好了的。
Already measured.
所以这个
OK.
是来压，所以我们要先打的是这一个跟一个 butter 打在一起。
打这个 machine 啊。
Yeah， using 这个 machine。
OK.
To whoever is eating my cookies， 我希望是好吃的，如果不好吃也要讲好吃。就放个 butter 进去了。
So for those 有机会吃到 Ellie 弄的过年饼干 ，that's a blessing， 因为它的饼干真的很好吃。我上一年有吃 ，it's like super nice and it's all like handmade family recipe. I hope you have the chance to try.
Smell it.
Smell it. Smell like chocolate.
是有 coffee 在里面的。
有 coffee 在里面。Okay. We are now going to melt the chocolate, is it?
Yes. 倒 sugar。
哇，好斯文哦。
我是个斯文的女人。
So my chocolate is melted. This is chocolate chips. We are going to make, obviously, chocolate cookies.
在这一边贴这个东西，然后我们要放那个 flour， 放 flour。
So 下一个步骤我们就要加 flour 了。Is this the final step?
Yeah. Then after that, we'll put it in a huge container to store overnight.
Pour in, right?
Yeah, just pour. 你可以一半一半抛先。
我想问你，有多少任男朋友陪你 bake 啊？
没有，就你。
哎呀，这笨蛋啊！上了贼船 ，Facebook， 哎呀，
有点累吗？
哇哦，所以这是第3轮的 batter 了。
耶。
所以我们把它 mix 去这个 big cup。So 然后我们会 freeze 这一个 overnight，right？
Yes， 我的背很酸。
你的背很酸啊。
是啊，徒步 is receiving chocolate better begin。
所以放这样的 lemon 在这边，这背酸了，看放 lemon 啊。Now is the second part of the night. Yeah, by the way, it's night time. 我们在量 flour， 这个是 for
butter cookies 罢了，真的是 butter 味道的。
所以我们弄了这个 flour prepare for tomorrow。我们用的是这个 brand。
From Bake with Yan 的。
Yeah, so there's a must go place lah. Whenever you want to bake something. 现在我们要
sieve the flour。
来，
可以。sieve 吗？一个手
这个手很 strong 的哦。去 OK。
我比你更快。哎呀，
你懂这是有 train 过的手啊？
什么鬼 piano 啊？
这样子哦。OK， never mind。Sorry, children. We are now going to measure the final ingredient. Can you guess what is this? This is MSG. No, it's sugar. 你在求你的 weighing scale. Oh no, what's happening to you? Handshake technique level 99.
哎呀，都会死的。
Today is day 2. 我们要来 bake 这个 butter 啦。
耶，
So basically 这个是昨天我们弄的，
大概这样的 size 吧
是这个 size 啊。
，I think so。
幼稚。
加油哦！这么叹气，
好多啊！
慢慢。Expected already. So 这一个 tray is like ready to get into the oven.
耶，
进吧。You good?
耶。
你在做这什么
I'm trying to reshape it because you want too ugly, Dick.
My one too ugly?
Yeah.
Yeah lah, sometimes like that one. Life has to be fair. Face look good, item ugly. No wonder yours look so good lah. Your face also leng lui lah.
Yeah lah, I look
Language.
good and I do good.
You look good and do good. Oh,
Yeah.
you're such a perfect woman. Where to find like that? Where to find?
好好珍惜哦。
Okay. Through the camera, you cannot smell it. It smells so f***ing good, man.
这个好像很大哎。
It's okay. I thought 女孩子都喜欢大的
大吗？
cookies. I mean cookies.
是因为我喜欢小的哦。
你喜欢小还是大的？
小的 cookies，one bite。
哦，cookies 啊，哎呦 ，one bite 啊 ，ouch！
你想歪啊？
我讲 cookies，
但怎么 cookies 会 ouch one bite 吗？
就这样多 effort 弄一个 cookies，你 one bite 就吃了。
Yeah，bite size 哦。对啊，是吗？还是湿的里面？
是咯。
白然还是不要粘这一边，如果粘的话，means it's not done。你在做什么？
剪这个 berries into half。
看我们能 big 到多少出来 ，OK？ 可是你肯定会有的吃的啦，放心哦，放心，我不会亏待你的。
看到我被勉强的笑容。The first batch is out
耶，我的 chocolate cookies 好了。
and it smells really good.
You see， 这个是干的，所以还是煮好的。
哦。
Yeah。
Oh, you're serious woman.
耶
Yeah, you still have 5 more trays to go.
耶，
屌冇，做到没完笑容啊。
累。
Exactly.
那个人吃我饼干，我跟你讲，请你好好的 appreciate。我好像挺慢着他们 appreciate。
如果 complain 的话，拿这个 stick 插你来说。我要打架，
他跟面粉打架。
做到没有笑容这样。
Smile。
If you naughty, I'm gonna slap you.
如果那个东西掉在地上哦，你再给我做另外一个啊。
Hi love, what you doing now?
Molding the cookie.
And turn them into this flower shape.
Yeah.
开始嗅到很香了。来一个笑容。Smell good 啦 ，really good。
希望你们会喜欢。
我们 bake 了好久 ，many hours 啊。This is the third day already.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so 我终于 bake 完了 It's like 8 something and I just showered, had my dinner. It's been 3 full days of baking, so 我真的很累。I hope to those who's receiving the cookies will enjoy it. And 现在呢，我要做的东西就是做 packing. So yeah, here you have all my cookies. Right now, I just need to seal this one, 因为这是刚刚 bake 好的 with 这个 gold color wrapper. And then 就放进去 and then 我就可以绑一个 ribbon 下去。Thank you guys for watching our Chinese New Year cookie baking session. 希望你们会喜欢。讲真的，我已经是背酸 and I mean it's fun. I hope you guys will like the cookies and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
And please subscribe, please subscribe